classic Colombian meal that you can really sink your teeth into.
That's what's cooking tonight as we grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef Nicolas Caicedo serving up traditional Colombian cuisine at La Farándula in Miami.
We do traditional Colombian food. We want our guests to have an amazing experience and to be able to try, dishes that are not originally from here, but that they can come to the restaurant and they can enjoy and have a great time.
La Farándula is located right on Biscayne in Miami's Edgewater neighborhood. You can find traditional Colombian dishes there, from appetizers to mains. So stop by and check out what we're making today, a meal that's meant to fill you up. It's called Bandeja Paisa.
So the first thing that we're going to do now is we're going to, grill off our steak.
The steak is the main part of the dish. Chef Nicolas marinated the meat in cilantro, garlic, and onion. He seasons it with salt and pepper and then puts it on the grill. While the steak cooks, he deep fries sliced plantains and a strip of pork belly.
We cure it with salt. We leave it in the fridge for about 24 hours.
The pork belly is fried 3 times for extra crispiness, and then finally he fries up an egg. Be sure to grab your biggest plate to serve this meal on.
First thing that we're going to do is we're going to put down the rice.
Cook your rice by following the directions on the package. The fried egg goes on top of the rice. The plantains go on one side of the plate.
Pork belly is going to go on this side.
And the steak goes in the middle. The bandeja paisa is also served with a traditional Colombian arepa, avocado, and a tomato and onion salsa. You can find the recipe for that on our website. Finish the dish with some chorizo and a bowl of red beans.
Hello, my name is Nicolas. Welcome to La Farándula. This is our bandeja paisa. Please enjoy.
Well, if you want to try it, check it out. You can. You know what you got to do. Log on to our website at WSVN.com, and just like that, click on entertainment and then click on bite, and boom, there is the recipe. So head to our website, check it out, try it out, and you can also follow me on social media for more recipes. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.